Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off notifications preview if you want to hide your content from the lock screen. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. As you can see, I got some notifications here on the lock screen, and also it shows the notification preview text, and you can easily hide this text in one simple step. Just get into settings, get into notifications, and then hit add show previews. Now when unlocked option is checkmarked, so I can see that notifications just when my device is unlocked, so other persons can't see that notifications previews, but you can switch it to never to hide the notifications preview text even if your device is unlocked. So now I can open up my lock screen. As you can see, there I got the same notifications, but now I'm not able to see their previous text. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.